Welcome to the next video in our EasyRoster in the Cloud series. Today, I'm excited to walk you through some of the great features that make managing your clients and contracts a breeze. Let's dive into the Site section. From the main menu, click on Sites Clients. Here you'll find a list of all your client sites. Notice how they're neatly organized by clients, operational, and deployment areas. You can of course set these areas up according to how your business is structured, which streamlines your reporting. Each site is linked to a specific client. Let's take a closer look at Empire Consulting. I'll filter the list to show the sites belonging to Empire. You can see that there are 3 such sites. When you hover over each contact card, you'll quickly see the contact person's details. The list highlights only active sites. And if there's more, then you can further filter by status. Let's explore Guardian Watchtower, one of your important sites where you provide security services. Here, all the site's details are readily available. Contact info, status, operational and deployment areas, and more. Check out the target wage to revenue metric, an essential figure we'll revisit when planning rosters. At the bottom, you'll find tabs to set up contracts, hours, personnel, allowances, and more. Starting with contracts, you'll see Guardian Watchtower is tied to a contract labeled EC01 for 52,500 rands. You can edit the contract directly from here. You can also configure shift hours, whether it's day shifts, night shifts, or both. Specify your personnel needs by grade and gender. Any allowances, just add them here. In this example, there's one special allowance paid to all personnel deployed to that site. Certifications display the skills and licenses required as agreed upon in the service contract. You can also manage personnel exclusions. Apparently, Jonathan Shepard didn't impress on this occasion. One of our exciting new features is issuing assets directly to sites and individuals. For this site, there's a list of weapons, protective gear, and radios assigned. Additional site details and deployment manager settings can be configured in the remaining tabs, which we'll cover separately. Finally, take a look at the shortcut hamburger menu in the top left. This lets you easily jump between clients, sites, and contracts. For example, clicking on Contracts shows you the list where you can add, terminate, or view details. Empire Consulting's contract value is 95,000 rands, covering multiple sites including the 52,500 rands for Guardian Watchtower. With EasyRoster Cloud, navigating and setting up your system is more intuitive than ever, boosting productivity. I'm sure you'll find these features incredibly useful. Now, let's continue to the next section.